What's up YouTube, it's Moose Gaming 08 here with a video of MLB Perfect Inning 16. Gonna be opening some drafts. Got like a signature draft, a gold draft, some rookie drafts. Yeah, 4 rookie drafts, regular rookie drafts, a rookie starting draft, 1 rookie pro draft, a signature draft, a gold draft, a pro draft. So let's do the rookie draft first. Okay. I'm expecting them all to be bronze. Bronze? John Jay, bronze Joba Chamberlain, and Young Ho Park, and Al Albuquerque. He's silver, but he's 47. Okay. Rookie starter draft. I'm hoping for silver. 55. Okay. So now we're going to do the regular pro draft. Okay, Scott Schibler, 45 overall. Okay, pro pitcher draft. I want, I guess, a starting pitcher. It's a long reliever, 51. Okay, so now I'm going to do my gold draft. I'm really excited about this one. And I get 59 Enny Romero. Okay, alright. Now for the signature, I'm hoping for an 80 or better signature. I really do not want to get a 60. And 83 Hanley Ramirez. Wow. I can't believe my eyes. I'm so glad 83 Hanley Ramirez. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. Wow. He's a Red Sox player, and I have a Red Sox team, so that'll be pretty sweet. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video.